Why don't you want them to know that you're still alive?
It's because I'm not what they remember.
I'm sorry you saw that. I can't imagine what you must think of me. I died. I'm still picking up those pieces. My friend Thea calls it a bloodlust, and I think that's being too generous. And so is calling me an animal. I'm a monster.
Does Ava know who you really are, Sarah? What you've done?
But deep down, I am death. I'm not a hero. I am the furthest thing from it.
But Sara, I don't see any scars on you.
That creep changed me, Rory. Look, I don't even know what I am anymore, all right? You cannot see it, but I'm damaged.